Alright, I started the process of putting together my new PC. I still don't have quite all the parts, but I noticed something on here that I have never seen before. You know, this main GPU slot, they have that armor metal thing on it, and the locking mechanism has always been hard to get to, especially when it's between, like, right here, the M.2, two M.2s and another M.2 on this side. And that locking mechanism has always been hard to get to. But on this one, look, right here, this button right here is the locking mechanism. You just press the button and it's unlocked. Press it again and it's locked. That is crazy. I've never seen that before. That will make pulling out the GPU for some reason way easier, because that locking mechanism has always been a pain to get to on every motherboard I've had. But yeah, I got M.2 here, two M.2s here, and an M.2 here. Now, I don't think I'm going to use any SATA SSDs in this. I think it's all going to be M.2s. But yeah, this is a nice motherboard. It's a MSI Mag series Tomahawk X870. But anyway, guess that's it later, people.